Most of the beanies that you see on store shelves today, even if they look American, are made overseas. But there's still a lot of great small manufacturers that are sewing, knitting, and crafting amazing winter gear right here at home. These are the brands that care about more than just a logo. They care about where their materials come from, how they're made, and supporting jobs in their local American communities. So today we're looking at 10 beanie brands that are proudly made in the USA. Everything from old school woolen mills to more modern cotton knitwear. And of course we have a ton of written research on beanies and other winter gear, so I'll put all the links to those on allamerican.org in the description below for y'all to check out. So let's start with one brand that's built their entire supply chain in North Carolina, and they're actually the beanie that I'm wearing right now, and that's Solid State Clothing. Solid State Clothing is based in Burlington, North Carolina, and their beanies are about as local as it gets. Their cotton is grown by local farmers, the yarn is spun in nearby local mills, and everything is sewn just a few miles away. You can literally trace your beanie on their website from the initial farm that it comes from all the way down the supply chain to the finished product. And that kind of transparency is pretty rare these days. Another thing that I love about Solid State Clothing is they use natural dyes in all of their beanies, their t-shirts, and everything else that they offer. For example, this beanie that I'm wearing today is dyed using locally grown marigold flowers, and I'm actually wearing one of their t-shirts right now too, which is dyed using local black walnuts. So not only are you getting something that's locally produced, you're also getting something that is super eco-friendly. Next up is Flipside Hats. Flipside Hats is based in Portland, Oregon, and they are a dedicated hat manufacturer, as the name suggests. They have a huge inventory of beanies and other hats to choose from. Everything's made in the US, and they are using really sustainable and recycled materials in all of their products as well. Next up is Forloh. I've talked about these guys a few times recently on the channel, and I really love them for hunting and outdoor technical gear. They're based in Whitefish, Montana, and they have some great soft shell beanies that are perfect for wicking sweat and keeping you warm when you're out in the elements. They also use a certain recycled polyester in their beanies that is actually odor resistant, so you're not going to give off your body odor when, let's say, you're hunting deer as an example. You want to stay pretty stealthy. These beanies also aren't going to obstruct your hearing, so you can stay attentive while you're up in the stand. Next up is American Giant. American Giant's based in San Francisco, and they make all of their beanies at a factory in New Jersey, and they have a lot of classic colors to choose from. I have a bunch of American Giant gear. I'm actually wearing their zip-up hoodie right now. I don't have one of their beanies, but just reading a lot of the reviews, folks really love how soft and warm they are and how well they wash. Next up is Upstate Stock. Upstate Stock produces a ton of knit caps, and they are based in Brooklyn, New York. And I actually have one of their caps right here, which I got when I toured the Upstate Stock facility in Brooklyn a couple of years ago. They use a couple of manufacturing and sourcing partners for producing their knit caps. They get all of their yarn for these guys from a facility in Hickory, North Carolina, and then a lot of the actual knitting takes place at a factory in Waterloo, New York. But this guy is super comfy. It is one of my go-tos when the weather is super cold. Next up is Runabout Goods. Runabout Goods is based in Pasadena, California, and makes a lot of beanies as well as other apparel and accessories out of 100% virgin wool. They have a similar design to the classic World War II era caps that were issued by the US Navy, so if that's your style, definitely give these folks a look. Next up is Duckworth. Duckworth's based in Bozeman, Montana, and in addition to their traditional knit beanies, they also have some really great moisture wicking ones, which are about half polyester and then half mountain merino wool with a few other fabrics mixed in there as well. I really like these skull caps because they fit most head sizes and they can fit underneath a helmet. So if you are going on a bike ride and need a little extra warmth, or if you just are doing some intense outdoor exercise and want something that's breathable but also warm, Duckworth has some really great options. All the wool that they use for their beanies, as well as everything else in their store, comes from sheep that are raised in Montana. Next up is Weissmade. Weissmade's based in Petaluma, California, and makes a ton of premium knitwear and denim apparel, including a lot of beanies that are made from wool that's 100% farmed, milled, and sewn in the US. In particular, I really love the texture of these beanies, and they also come in a wide variety of colors, and Nick, the owner, is a really great guy. I've had a chance to get to know him just over email and some phone conversations, so Weissmade is a really good small boutique apparel manufacturer that you should definitely check out for their beanies. Next up is Devium USA. Devium's based in Truckee, California, and is a family-owned business making wonderful wool beanies at one of America's oldest knitting mills. Their beanies are made from 100% US-sourced merino wool, and they really get rave reviews on their warmth and softness. Next up is the Buffalo Wool Company. The Buffalo Wool Company is based in Goodnight, Texas, and has a wide variety of beanies, headbands, and full masks that are all made from buffalo wool. They're a family-owned business, and they've been in operation in North Texas for over 40 years. So if you don't want to go the sheep wool route and want to try something a little bit different, check out the Buffalo Wool Company. And I have a couple other beanies that I own, so I guess I lied. I'm not talking about 10 brands, I'm talking about 12. This one's from Los Angeles Apparel, based in Los Angeles. If you just need a basic acrylic beanie at a pretty affordable price, these guys are a really good option. They also have a ton of apparel and accessories for men and women, just really basic. Ton of different color options, highly recommend. And then this one is from Freedom Fatigues. I actually don't think they have beanies in their inventory anymore. I got this one several years ago when I first discovered these guys, but they make a lot of really good t-shirts, hats, and other apparel and accessories. But again, I don't think they actually sell beanies anymore. All right, y'all, that's it for this one. Let me know in the comments below if y'all have any questions or other great brands that you want to shout out. And as always, thanks for supporting your country and shopping American made. See y'all next time.